Hey everybody, V-Boy94 right here. Just want to keep you guys updated, and also want you guys to see if, well, any of you are not in Canada to see this weather.
May not be able to see it through the camera, but it's raining.
Well, mostly, yeah, it is raining, but the sky is definitely a strange color.
Not your usual color, that's for sure.
I don't know if you guys could have seen it in the video or not, but yeah. And the cats are very interested, or at least my target cat.
Fluttershy's interested. She just doesn't want to be near the water.
Your typical cats hate water situation. And if you guys are in Brantford, all you have to do is tell me where you guys are in Brantford, and I can, well, try and see you guys, and you could be in my next video. Especially you, V girl, who is like
In college.
Yep. Either way, if you do guys decide and want to meet me in person, just leave your tell me down in the comments down below, and we'll set up a meeting. Yeah, I don't. Also, comment down below saying, does Fluttershy want down?
I get it, don't you? Growl.
Well, this is V-Boy94 signing off until the next video.